Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, first thing that you will want to do is grab a cable and plug it into your computer, as we will need it to access the actual recovery mode. And second thing that I do want to quickly mention is this will delete all of your data from a device, so make sure that you have backed up everything that you want to keep. You can do that obviously through Google or Smart Switch application on Samsung, whichever one works best for you. And typically I would have shown you this process in order to get rid of a screen lock, but Samsung prevents you from being able to remove a screen lock now because you can't access the recovery mode if you turn it off without providing the screen lock. So I'm just gonna do this normally and tell you that we basically can't. Anyway, so first thing that we will do is turn off our device. So let's swipe down from the top right corner, click on the power button and choose power off. You want to plug in the device, and we're going to wait. Now we're waiting for this to disappear. Now once it disappears, it's going to start technically flashing, so it's going to come back in a moment, but it doesn't matter. Once that has happened, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time and let go of the power button once we see the Galaxy, so Samsung and then Galaxy on the screen. So come on, Samsung, Galaxy. You can see this takes us to the what used to be called a recovery mode, and technically it still is, but surely doesn't look like it anymore with only one actual option in here. So we want to select obviously the wipe data factory reset, and you can do so using the volume button. So volume down scrolls down and up goes up. Once it's selected, confirm it using the power button and then select factory data reset. Confirm that. Quickly, it tells you that data wipe is basically completed, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once again. And this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. So I'm going to let it run through, and this should take no longer than like a minute. And yeah, I'm going to come back once it's finished for me. And as you can see, the reset is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.